大家好，我叫董夏琳. Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Whitberg, and today we'll be doing character study on Yulin. So going right into it, Yulin is composed of two different characters, our different components, which is Bao, which is to wrap, and Bing, which is the character for ice. So it's a meaning means equal or uniform. Going first into the philosophical implications, this character was originally pronounced as Yuan, which is inside of two copper ingots in the bronze inscription. And then its shape is strong with bones and flesh are even, which was used in um, a philosopher's Dan Du Fu, which is Beauty Walk. And so here's how it's evolved over time. As you can see, as mentioned earlier, it was used originally, or its more original formation was used as two ingots being held together. So as you can see here, the hand is holding the two copper ingots, which is like uniform together. And as you can see, it pretty much has stayed very consistent over time until you have it more like in more of a bow shape or like within, and then you have it as it is today. Here's a little bit of its development with calligraphy. So as you can see, it stayed pretty consistent with a little bit of stylistic variations and with different characters throughout regions. You can see, I guess, how different styles use the character currently. Now going into the modern usages and more of the radical usage. This character is used pretty much to describe um, different ways to compare equalness or distribution of things. So the first one we have is more for its meaning as well as its phonetic component. So we have first one is jun, which means equal, equally, or even. The second one we have is yuan, which means sunlight or yeah, sunlight. So that pretty much means like dispersed amount of sunlight is like equal or equal amount of sun, which is sunlight. The next one we have is yuan, which is skin of bamboo or bamboo itself. And the last one we have is yuan, which is a rhyme or it's the final sound of a Chinese syllable or musical sound. So again, more of its like phonetic component for this one. For its modern uses and words, you can see it in this character using both character for before, Jun, and Yun, which is the two characters combined. So Jun Yun, which means well proportioned or homogeneous. The second one we have is Yuan Chun, which means well shaped. Third one we have is Yuan Su, which means uniform velocity. So if you put in front of a character, it could also mean like it's very much similar or very like uniform. So in this case, it's uniform velocity. And the last one we have is Tiao Yun, which means to blend cooking and to mix evenly. So again, that more even, that like uniform type of meaning to describe in different contexts and words. Here are my references. Thank you again for watching today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. And 再见. Bye bye.